I'm so nervous. We're going to get the new van today. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. It's been weeks since we bought this new van and it's finally happening today. We are going to get our new van. We sold Peggy last week and you might have seen that in our latest video. And been so nervous, been so nerve-wracking this whole process, but it's finally coming to an end.
It's ridiculous how nervous we are. Last night when I was trying to fall asleep, it felt like it was my birthday. You know, when you're younger and you know it's going to be your birthday the next day and you're just curious what kind of presents you're going to get, and when you come down the whole room is decorated. It felt like that. And my stomach is just upside down today.
It's not just a van, it's our house. We will be living in it full time. So it's not a small thing that's happening today.
Nope.
And we still got like half an hour left.
30 minutes till a new home arrives.
Will be the longest 30 minutes of our lives.
Probably.
Look at that one. Everything alright?
Just waiting.
Still not there.
Still not there.
Is it here?
It is. Come.
Oh, you can't see.
No. We're gonna go check out our new van!
Come on, go.
Okay, cool. I think I saw it driving that way.
I have to get my phone in case they can't find it.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my god, you guys! It's finally time! I'm so curious what you'll think of it.
We bought a Mercedes Sprinter van!
Gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll...
So real quick, why did we buy this particular van?
We have been living this lifestyle for quite a while now, so we know exactly what we want, what we need, and the stuff that we absolutely do not use at all. And we looked at hundreds of vans in real life, online, but this one just was the absolute winner.
And it looks kind of minimalist and basic at the moment, but we've got a vision, we've got a dream, and we're sure that we can make this particular van our dream home. So we're not going to give the grand tour today because it's not nearly how we want it to be, but just bear with us, we will get there.
Absolutely. And the only downside of this new van is that we just cleaned out the old one because we had to sell it. And now we have to do it all over again with this one.
And we hate cleaning.
So let's get that over with so the fun stuff can begin. Alright, let's get cracking.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Oh, best husband ever! Thank you. Done with that, time for the fun stuff.
Yes. Our new bed is here, guys. Our new mattresses. Our first item we ordered. Yes.
Good girl.
I got a present for you, babe.
Woohoo! The new mattresses!
And just like
that, we have our new mattress.
let's try it out, babe.
Let's try it out. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. That's really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
You can use half of it.
Ah! We're gonna have such a really big bed. Oh. Okay, night, night, bye bye.
Now all we need is the bus. That actually is not here yet. It's Wednesday today. It will only arrive this Friday. It was supposed to arrive last Friday, but someone messed up big time. Oh yeah. 2 more days. So now that we have the van, let's see if they fit.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Fits like a glove.
Yep, perfect. Peace.
So besides the mattresses, we bought a bunch of other stuff. One of the big differences in this van is that we now have a 260 watt solar panel on the roof and we got a 1500 watt inverter. That is such a massive upgrade to what we've been used to. In Peggy we only had like a 75 watt solar panel on the roof and we had a 150 watt inverter in the van. We could charge one laptop at the time and then we could not even have the lights on. So sometimes in the evening while we wanted to do some work, we were just sitting in the dark waiting for the laptop to charge. We don't have that anymore now. And one of the big things we really missed, and it sounds really cliche, is soups, homemade soups and smoothies. So we bought a stick mixer.
I finally have my mixer. Come on, smoothies.
Now what we don't need is a microwave. Takes up a lot of space and it weighs like a ton, so anyone wants to buy a microwave, just let me know in the comment section please. There we go. Now what?
Now what? Just throw it out.
Into the hobbit, right?
Yeah.
Really, now what? Can you open the door for me, please? Now I hope this is like a Bermuda Triangle that will just disappear. At least we can use that space for something much more useful, right? Come on, let's continue. Puppy! Wee! She's doing so great. She's turning a year next week.
Yay! Happy birthday, Myla!
Happy birthday to you. Don't know if you remember how many plants we had in Peggy. This is the first one we took to our new van. We need to have something to make it feel like home already, right?
Exactly.
Babe, we're done for today. We're done cleaning.
We're done cleaning! We've removed the things that we didn't like and we cleaned the van and now it is time to decide where everything's gonna live. And that's a job for tomorrow.
We're gonna call it a day for today. We've done enough. So, see you in the morning.
Good morning, y'all! So the first thing we do every morning is get ourselves a cup of coffee, otherwise we do not function. But immediately after that, we're going to the new van. So come on in and make yourselves at home. So today we are going to see and find out where everything's gonna live. And on a different matter, it doesn't have a name yet. We do have a name in mind and we know it's a boy van, we know it's a he. But we are open to suggestions. So you can leave your name in a comment and if we like it better than the one that we have in mind, we might pick yours. Look what he has. Look what Leon is bringing. Hi, gorgeous.
First item on the list. Now, can't go anywhere without my cajon. And we've been debating for like a week or two whether it would fit next to the bed. It's finally time to check it out. It does.
It does?
It does. Oh, would you look at that?
Ah! It actually fits.
It's even a nightstand.
Ah! High five.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
I was so afraid that we couldn't bring it. That would have been a bummer, but it does. Yes. Well, I'm done. We can go.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Well, we're off to a good start. And I think we've got enough items in the van to start decorating, at least a little, and to make it feel like our home. We're not going to show you every piece of utensil that we're going to bring into the van. But let's start decorating and let's give you a small tour of the van.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
We got like 100 pillows. It's an addiction.
We use them all. He doesn't know what he's talking about. We now have a diesel heater and that really works really well. I am absolutely not complaining, but it is toasty warm inside. Lovely, and we need that because winter is coming. Now we only brought a few things into the van and it already makes a huge difference. Now can you imagine what it will feel and look like once we're finished? We can't wait to hop on this project and make this van our home. So I'm gonna give you a quick run through so you know what our van looks like and what we have envisioned for it. So over here we have the living room. It's gonna be so cozy once we're done with it. On my right side, we have the kitchen, which is already fully equipped, so we don't really have to do much about that. On the left, over here, we have the bathroom. We're gonna do that last, because you don't really see it, so why bother? And when we step into this room, you'll see where the real challenge lies. Because right now, it's quite boring, but it is full of potential. Or at least that's what we think. We want to make this a cozy bedroom at night and a beautiful room during the day. I can already see myself sitting in that chair, doors wide open, overlooking mountains, beaches, wherever we go. So this is our van and we can't wait to make it our dream house on wheels. And that also brings us to the end of the video. So we're gonna let you go. Don't forget to send in those names. We're really curious what you want to name this van. And subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new coming videos. Be awesome and stay fantastic. Bye!
That's a wrap!
Oh, thank God. Was it okay? Shing! Is goed. Oh! Te dichtbij. So in case you didn't notice, there's a Murphy bed in the bed. Ah! Alright.
Looks fancy.
I know, right? Let's test this puppy out.
Go on.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't have room. We have looked at hundreds of vans in real life or online, and this one turned out to be the winner.
Yep, and then I had to say something.
Yeah, and then Leon wants to say something too.
Yeah.
Zie je? Ik doe hem tot hier. Ja? Tada!